Mr. Chippie's been elsewhere, is the immaculate Commtron 40F with the factory original working microphone, which is more rare than the immaculate radio. Even smells of new, yet it's 40 years old. So same Maxon chassis used in loads of sets of the 1981 era, if you saw it. So we'll move away from 19. Quite difficult to change channel on things with shiny knobs like this. Go to Mega Chippie channel. I'll be ready to put the extension speaker in because we've recently been listening to them on the extension speaker for a couple of overs. I can see the camera's moved. I can't really compensate. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, copy.
Tango 21, receive you loud and clear. Now pick the right microphone up.
Oh, I wonder what the delay was. Right, we'll go over to the extension speaker.
Right, we'll come up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Now I'm on the right one. Now I've got it on the PA one. So it came out of that one when it was plugged into the PA. How bizarre.
Alright, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station, which is no doubt shut.
Correct. Alright, we're now going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Alright, we're now passing the top of the hill. We'll go down in towards Wilson. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill. So now we'll go back to its internal speaker, having heard it on the extension speaker mounted on the wall.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilson. Over.
Roger, got you going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a Commtron 40F from 1981 and it's doing a full 4 watts output. Over.
Yep, roger that, all received.
Roger.
Right, we're now going over Wilson Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger.
So that's the 3 mile point.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn. We've got a special event station at Kelby on Saturday, Chippie.
Yes, I've seen these now. So yeah, churches on there, isn't it?
That's right.
Right, we're now passing the Grayleys turn. Over.
Roger, I've got you out the Grayleys return. The Grayleys return? Got you at the Grayleys turn. I can't speak this evening. Yeah, I'm out of practice.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby Level Crossing. And that concludes the test. If the petrol station's shut, or is it open?
No, it's shut.
Okay, that's shut. Right, 10-10 then.
Yep, roger that.
Yeah, well that worked absolutely as you want it to. Good sensitivity, 4 watts output. There we are. So that can get put back in its cotton wool cocoon. Oh, I better not turn it off. We've got the little test through to the base station. So I'll do that.
Tango 21, testing the immaculate Commtron 40F and the factory original microphone into our Harris CBHQ base station. Testing 1 2 3 4 5. 5 4 3 2 1. Thanks for watching.